Hello guys, today we are going to start working on our app. So the first thing that we need to do obviously is create a new app. So open Android Studio and then click on Start a new Android Studio project. So I am working on version 3, which is the latest version at this time. And I'm gonna call this app Instagram Ram, and the company domain is insta.company.com. It doesn't matter, but you need to set this company domain. And I'm not sure if the Android Studio is going to accept this name because, as you know, um, there is the Instagram app already in the App Store, but I think it will accept it. And the project is going to be in our desktop because it's for me it's easier to access the app later, the project later. So make sure you put the project folder in a location that is easier for you to um, navigate and access it later. So then click next, and then the you can choose the latest version that the app is going to be able to work on. So the minimum version for me that I have chosen is API 15, which is ice cream sandwich, Android 4.0.3. And I am not going to create that app for Wear or TV, so I'm gonna just click next. But before I click next, you need also to choose which API you are going to work on. I'm going to work on API 26 Oreo, which is I think the latest one at this time. I'm going to click next and just select empty activity, which is going to be the main activity of our app, and then click next. Then what you need to do is to call this, to give a name for this main activity, and I'm just gonna leave it the as the default, which is main activity, and then hit next. Now we are good to go, and our project to um, um, is ready for us to start programming and write some bunch of code. It's just gonna take like 2 minutes to load the Gradle. So now after the Gradle has loaded, the first thing that you need to do is to go to the Gradle scripts and open the build.gradle app level, and make sure that the target SDK version is as the compile SDK version so that you avoid errors later. And also the implementation of the support library here, AppCompat, is also 26 as the same version as the compile SDK version. So I always do this to avoid problems in my code later. And you basically are going to not work with the project level build Gradle, but the app level we are going to work on it later to add some libraries. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you later.